How to change skin color on Roblox. Changing our skin color on Roblox helps us customize our avatar and make it look exactly how we want. So if we do not know how to do or what settings it is, we might stay stuck with the default look. So let's change it step by step. We can start by opening up Roblox. So go over to roblox.com directly on your preferred browser. Type in Roblox and hit enter and go to roblox.com. After you are there, you can log in into your account if you're not logged in. And from there, what you can do is you can click on the avatar option from the left menu. At the top left, you can find a menu. You can tap on it and select the avatar option from the given menu. And once you are here, what we can do is we can go to the customize section, or in the top menu here, we have characters, clothing, accessories, etc. Select head and body. And once you do so, click on this option called skin tone. And there you can select a skin tone from here. Pick your color that you would like to choose. For example, this color right here. You can pick it up and that particular color will be directly applied to your avatar. There we go. You can see how it looks. You can just go over and choose the color that you prefer. And it should basically change, save the changes automatically. You can just go over and apply it up. You can see. Or if not this, you can click on your profile in the top here. Like this. And go to edit profile option. And within edit profile or edit avatar, click on edit avatar. And within here also we can just go to head and body and select the option of skin tone and switch the color to something that we would prefer, and it should apply up the changes automatically. It will directly apply the changes. You can also just go over and customize either on your head, body, your hands, etc., and apply the changes and provide it up. And if the skin color option is missing, you can switch your character from R6 or R15 and remove the layered clothing temporarily. And you can also update the Roblox app, restart the application, and try again. And that's it. That's how we change our skin color on Roblox following up this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.